So friends, let's see today's lovely Chatpata Crispy Corn recipe. So now here I've taken two corn cobs rather, and this is how you take off the corn from the cob. It's very easy. Or you can buy ready-made corn, so you'll require at least 1.5 cup. Now I've just added this to about 3 cups of water, and I'm going to bring it to a boil. Once it starts to boil, I'm just going to add some salt to taste and mix the salt in well. Let it boil for about 5 minutes on a low to medium heat. And once that is done, we're just going to drain it in a colander or a sieve. And now I'm going to put them on a clean, dry kitchen napkin and pat them completely dry. Now we're going to transfer this to a mixing bowl. To that, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of corn flour. Next, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of flour, which is maida or all-purpose flour. And we're going to add 2 teaspoons of rice flour. Now we're going to mix this really well together till all of these flours nicely coat the corn. So mix it in really well. And now I'm just going to run this through a sieve and dust all the excess flour. So we just want the corn to be nicely coated with the flour, but we don't want excess flour, because otherwise when we start frying it, when we'll have all flour, more than flour floating in the oil. So now I'm just testing the oil. I've kept some oil for deep frying. And once I put one corn in and comes to the surface, that means your oil is nice and hot. And now just put about half of the corn and put a lid on top of it, because it does tend to pop or splutter. And just keep moving it this way. And we're going to fry the corn on a low to medium heat with a cover on for at least 5 to 7 minutes till the corn is nice and fried. And then you will see that it's nice and crispy. You'll hear this lovely sound. So now we just have to add some salt to taste. Our corn is nice and fried. Then we're going to add about half a teaspoon of pepper powder. So you can season this as per your taste. Next, I'm going to be adding about 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. I'm just going to sprinkle some chaat masala. Mix all of this really well together. See that all of these masalas coat this fried corn really nicely. And then I'm just going to squeeze the juice of half a lemon. Again, you can adjust the lemon according to your taste. Mix it in well again. And now I'm just going to add some lovely finely chopped coriander leaves. You could also add some chopped onions, some chopped tomatoes. The choice is yours. And this is an ideal evening snack or a light meal, and it's super delicious. So I hope you do give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments section as to how you like this. Don't forget to give this video a big like if you like this recipe, and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita signing off. Bye.